Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. On the computer, did you save the? Correct. Number 2, to do something. Which one's right? Bob will come here in March or on March? Yeah, correct. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. I will make a computer file. I will make a computer file. File. File has two meanings. It's a tool. I don't know if you can see this. It has a very rough surface. But mostly we say a computer file. If you write something on a computer, you have to save it. That is one file. Now we can make a flashcard for file and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. Write file up here in the top left corner. F-I-L-E. You can also say a computer file. Down here, the code, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here, the number 59 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. File. Or number 2, the bottom one, file. File. In the dictionary, they said the top one, but I like the bottom one a little more. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Will you go skiing in December? Will you go skiing in December? In December. Also, for 1 year, we say in. Will you go skiing in 2027? To do something in March means between March 1st and March 31st. Now we can make a flashcard for to do something in December. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to do something in March or any month or a year in 2032. Down here the code, adverb, idiom, level 1. And over here the number 7 out of 15. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. In. Game over. You did very well. Did you save the computer? File. Correct. And to do something on March or in March? Yes, in March. And if you're high level, level 2 words. Number 1, a container. Correct. For holding things. Number 2, a person in your home that you like. Guest. Correct. And to drag, this means to pull something along the ground. Today is Friday, September 5th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.